These people who are now afraid to use Facebook because of all the stuff they read in the paper or different articles, whatever it may be at all, they're losing out massively on their exact target audience. Now, I do hear quite a lot of, oh, my customers actually don't use Facebook from a lot of people that I deal with, and that is no way to be thinking about this. If you look at the statistics, Facebook actually has 2 billion, yes, billion with a B, monthly active users. Active users. Also bear in mind that the majority of this is on mobile. That's a quarter of the world's population. That's way too much to not be on Facebook. You can't assume that your customers won't be on Facebook. Yes, maybe the customer you speak face to face with every day isn't on Facebook, but there's people all over the world that I can guarantee would be happy to have your products or your services, whatever it may be at all. They're all over the world and you're not able to find them because you're not using Facebook. Now, this isn't directly specifically at Facebook ads to be used. This is even for organic use of Facebook. So just setting up your Facebook page, putting out some content, whether it's a picture, video, whatever it may be, just a couple of times a day, just to keep engaged with your audience and build it as you go on. Again, I'm talking about organic and paid ads here. You cannot let this opportunity slip you by. I don't know how long Facebook will be around for. Nobody knows how long Facebook will be around for. It could all be gone tomorrow. We could have it for another 10 years. But because of the way Facebook is at the moment, I honestly believe that any business who is not using it, whether it's organic, whether it's for Facebook ads, seriously believe they're missing out on such a massive opportunity. I mean, the technology is there to be able to talk to the exact people who are interested in your product or service or whatever it is that you provide. Please don't let that slip by. Now, I do have quite a lot of videos on this channel of how to use Facebook for your business. If you want to check some of them out, I'll leave a playlist for that around here. What I would like to know from yourself in the comments below is, what were your thoughts on Facebook after the Cambridge Analytica scandal? Now, for me, it actually didn't change whatsoever, but I know a lot of people, even personally, who actually stopped using Facebook because of it, which again, I don't particularly agree with. But as I said, let me know in the comments what your own thoughts are. I'd love to know. Just like I say in every single video, if you have any questions at all about anything that I've mentioned, do not be afraid to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to answer them and I'll do it as fast as I can. If you also want to email me instead, or also, you can actually email me to my personal email address, which is paul@theincomehighway.com. Just like with the comments below, I'll do my very best to answer them as soon as possible. So thanks very much for watching today's video. Hope you got some value from it. Hope you're able to learn something from it. And I really look forward to talking to you in the next one. Have a fantastic day.